Mountains are one of Earth's most awe-inspiring landforms. Towering over valleys and plains, shaping both landscapes and climates. These colossal natural structures, often characterized by their steep slopes and towering heights, play a vital role in supporting life on our planet. By definition, a mountain is a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface far larger than a hill. These peaks often feature narrow summits and broad bases, with temperatures dropping as you ascend. When a series of mountains align, it creates what we call a mountain range, like the Himalayas or the Rockies. Mountains come in various forms, depending on how they're created. One of the most common types are fold mountains, formed when tectonic plates push together, causing layers of the Earth's crust to fold. This slow yet powerful process creates some of the world's tallest peaks, like Mount Everest in the Himalayas and the Andes in South America. Another type is the volcanic mountain, which forms when molten rock or magma erupts from beneath the Earth's surface. Over time, the lava cools and solidifies, creating mountains with steep, conical shapes. Famous examples include Mount Fuji in Japan and Mauna Loa in Hawaii. We also have block mountains, which are formed by faulting. When sections of the Earth's crust break due to tectonic forces, huge blocks of land either uplift or tilt, creating these unique formations. The Sierra Nevada in the US and the Harz Mountains in Germany are perfect examples. Then there are dome mountains, formed when magma pushes the Earth's crust upward but doesn't break through the surface. Over time, the magma cools, and the result is a rounded, dome-like structure. The Half Dome in California is one such example. Mountains are not just geological marvels, they are also vital to life on Earth. Around 12% of the world's population lives in mountainous regions, relying on them for fresh water, food, and shelter. Rivers fed by mountain glaciers and snowmelt provide water to millions of people downstream. Mountains are biodiversity hotspots, supporting unique ecosystems that vary with altitude. From alpine meadows to dense forests, mountains provide habitats for countless species of plants and animals. The diversity of life found in these regions is shaped by the varying climates and elevations. But beyond their beauty and recreational value, mountains are crucial to our planet's health. They regulate climate patterns, influence rainfall distribution, and play a role in carbon sequestration. Protecting these magnificent landscapes ensures a future where both people and wildlife can continue to thrive. Mountains, whether towering above the clouds or hidden beneath the sea, are some of the most powerful and enduring features of Earth. As we admire their beauty and recognize their importance, we must also strive to protect these vital ecosystems for generations to come.